Hi, everyone. I want to talk to you today about how to make a works cited or a bibliography using EasyBib. It's one of the easiest tools that is available to make a nice, perfectly formatted citation page for your papers. So I'm here on my essential research page. This is rough. I haven't cleaned it up completely, but I'll show you how to use EasyBib here. So under any document, there's something called add-ons, okay? And when you go to add-ons, there's a get add-ons. So you go here, and you would simply start typing EAS, and you'll see one that says Easy Bibliography Creator. Now, I already have this added, so I don't need to do that. It's installed, as you can see. You can go ahead and put that on your it'll work with your docs and just go ahead and add it. Okay, so once we've done that, we're on our paper and I've got some information here. I've gotten this information from websites. Now, the first one I already did, and that's why it's showing up in the works cited. To activate EasyBib, the first thing you'll do when you go into your paper is you go to your add-ons and you click on the one that you already added. So here's EasyBib. And I'm going to say Manage Bibliography. Okay, now over here on the side, the one thing you want to know is that it's automatically going to come up to the correct style for English language art classes. So the correct style that we want is MLA 8th edition. If you do the drop down, you're going to see a lot of other styles. Those are for other subject areas. So MLA is the correct style for use in your English language arts classes. So I already cited this first sentence here. I would use in context citation, I would use the first part of the title of the website here, because this is not a person's name. Your teacher will go over a little bit more with you on how to make the in context citations. I'm going to talk about the other style or the works cited. So anyway, over here, up here, I have where I got the information from this second sentence. We disagree on how much attention we should be putting on this problem. This is air pollution, since there's much bigger crises in our world right now. So I went and found my information. I had found it from this website that says that the industry lobbyists are saying that air pollution is not really that important and controlling it doesn't really deliver real benefits. So those are the people that disagree with it being important, okay? And in down here, there's all sorts of people that have said, hey, it's not that important to deal with air pollution. It's not that big of a problem. So anyway, that's the website where I got that information to support this sentence. So I need to cite, even though I changed all of the language, remember, it's just an idea from that source, I still need to cite that source. So what I do is over here, once I've opened EasyBib, I have to make sure I'm looking at the right kind of source. It's not a book. It's not a journal article. It is a website. So I click on website. Then I simply go back to my website. I click on the URL. I copy it. I bring it back over here to my paper and drop it in EasyBib, paste, and then I click the search button. Once I see, and I can kind of double check, is that the right one? Yes, it's from Grist, Utilities, and Joe Barton. That does match. I'm going to select that. And then it is simply going to go ahead and add that, bring that up, and then I'm going to say I want to add the bibliography to doc. And there I have my works cited, getting more fully developed, another source. Now, in this case, if I was going to do my in context, I would use the author's last name right here, Walk. So when you have an author name, that's what goes in your in text or parenthetical citation. When you don't, like up here, you would technically you could actually get rid of this because it's not an actual person. It just says editors. But when you don't have an actual name, you use the title of the website. Okay, so essentially that's how you do it with EasyBib. It's that easy. I encourage you to give that a try. You have this video, you can watch it step for step. You can watch it again. And if you need any help or have any questions, you can always contact me. Okay, thanks a lot and happy citing. Take care.